Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an event planner portfolio website using Wix. With Wix, you'll be able to create a website for free. All you need to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, I want you to tap on Build with the Wix Editor. After selecting Build with the Wix Editor, you're going to tap on Set Up without Chat. Then you're going to tap on the search bar and you're just going to type in Event Planner. So you can do that right there, Event Planner Portfolio. After you have done that, you can see different categories that you could also choose from, as there are numerous categories that you can select. And it is as easy as that to create a professional website using Wix. Then you'll tap on Continue, and you can enter in your website name. After entering your website name, you'll tap on Continue once more, and you can select your website goals, whether it is a case to get booked online, sell products, offer online courses, showcase creative work, or sell membership. Whichever option you want, you can select all of them, or you could select the ones that best suits you. Then you're going to tap on Continue. And what else do you need to manage your business? Do you plan on hosting virtual sessions? Do you want to sync your personal calendar or so on? You can select that. I'll be selecting Create a Link in Bio page, then tap on Finish. After selecting Finish, you're going to be redirected to your Wix website dashboard. Once on your Wix website dashboard, there are a few things that I want you to pay attention to. The first thing is, by going over to the left-hand menu option, you could select Catalog. Then from there, you could select Booking Services. After selecting Booking Services, this is where you'll be able to add the services that you would like to offer as an event planner. So for example, let's say I would like to offer a design consultation. You could tap on that and you could edit the image. You could also edit the name, and you can scroll down and you can set the price that you would like to charge. So let's say for example, I would like to charge $100. And if you have staff members, you can scroll down and you could add the staff member's name right there, and you could also assign them to different services. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save, and you can continue adding more services by tapping on Add a New Service, and you could add one of the suggested services, or you could tap on Start from Scratch. Let's say we were to select this one, and we'll scroll down once more and we're going to set the price. Then we'll tap on Save again in the top right hand corner. After you have added your services, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, and from there you're going to tap on Getting Paid. After selecting Getting Paid, you'll be able to connect the different payment methods. So you'll tap on Connect Payment Method, and depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options that you can connect. So this varies. Because I'm located in Jamaica, I'll only be able to offer TillaPay and PayPal. But if I were to change my location to, for example, the United States, you realize that I can now offer more payment options. So it varies depending on where you're located. If I were to tap on more payment options, you can see them right there. So it all depends. Once you have connected the different payment options, you can also use Wix to create invoices if you want by tapping on Getting Paid. From there, you could tap on Invoices and you could create an invoice, or you could create a quotation. You can also create pay links that you can share with persons to collect your payment. So there are numerous options that you can access when it comes onto Wix. And by going over to the left hand menu option once more, if it is a case that you would like to create a gift card, you could do that by hovering over Catalog. You could select gift cards and you could create a gift card. Now once you're finished setting it up, you're going to scroll back up, tap on Set Up. Then you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you can choose any one of these templates by scrolling down. Let's say for example, I would like to use this one. all I would need to do is tap on edit. Once it is up and running, you'll tap on X to close the pop-up box. Then you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and you can start editing your website. To make changes, you're just going to hover over it with your mouse cursor and tap on quick edit. Then you can go over to the right hand column and you could change the background. You can also tap on the different sections. You can change the background and you can edit the text. It's as easy as that. And if it is a case that, for example, you would like to change the icon right here, you can tap on it and from there you could change it. So for example, let's say I were to change that from a Q to J, I could do that right there. It is as easy as that. You can also add different elements to your website quite quickly by tapping on the plus in the top left hand corner. For example, if I wanted to place a text, I could drag and place the text anywhere I want, as you can see there, and you can quickly edit it. And if it is a case that you would like to add your portfolio to display your work, you could tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on add page. After selecting add page, you can see different options and you're just going to tap right where you see portfolio. Then you're going to tap on add Wix portfolio and you're going to give it a few seconds while the Wix portfolio is being added. Once it is up and running, I'll be showing you how to add images of your previous work on your portfolio. So you can see it is loading up right there. Once it has loaded up, you can see your portfolio page and this is how it looks at the moment. All you need to do is tap on the current image, then you're going to tap on manage projects and it is going to open up a new dashboard. On this new dashboard, you'll now be able to add your previous work. So you can see some suggestions: wedding planner, corporate events, party planning, event decor. You can select whichever option. Then from there you could tap on next. After tapping on next, you could tap on upload from computer and you could upload your portfolio. And that's how you'll be able to add your portfolio on your Wix website and quickly display it, so you'll be able to show some social proof that will allow you to get even more customers. Once you're finished creating your website, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. So when someone goes onto your website, they'll be able to see your portfolio. They can also tap on services from the top navigation bar and they could book a service. So let's say, for example, event design, you can see right there. You have strategy concept. You have all of your services that would be available right here. And they could tap on it and they'll be able to book a service. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.